Hey everybody, let's talk about aggression in 12.6. Aggression, this is going to be really short, so. Aggression is when someone wants to harm or inflict pain on another person. There are two different types of aggression. It's hostile aggression that is motivated by anger, and the person wants to inflict pain. The example your book gave us is a bar fight. And then instrumental aggression is motivated by goal. This is a little creepy, but the example in the book is a hired killer. Yeah, okay. Next is, sorry, I'm moving the camera angle. The next one is bullying, cyberbullying, and the bystander effect. Standard effect. Bullying is the negative treatment of another. We all know what bullying is. Cyberbullying is the negative treatment of someone online. We'll get to bystander, that effect, in just a minute. We're going to talk about bullying and cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is more of mental bullying. And research shows that mental bullying, like the psychological effects of taking friends away, spreading rumors, that's done by girls. Whereas the physical bullying, that is done more by boys. I've always thought it was crazy that boys can talk smack to each other, take it outside, handle business, and I don't know, about a week later, maybe an hour later, they'll be having drinks at the bar together. Not girls. Girls will take your boyfriend, take your best friend, tell everybody you slept with the football team, whatever. They'll ruin your reputation. I don't know which one. I mean, I think that the psychological bullying and the cyberbullying is way worse than, being pushed in a locker. But I don't know. I was never pushed into a locker. So, anyways, the bystander effect is when the group thinks that someone else will take care of the situation. While I was reading about this, I was like, if I ever saw someone being bullied, I'd take care of it. I would step up. But then the book gave an example of, have you ever passed an automobile accident and just passed it because you think somebody else probably called the police? I do this. I'm going to stop now, but I do that. I've passed a wreck before, and I've been stopped in traffic for at least 5 minutes at this point by the time I reach the accident. And I've just assumed that somebody else is taking care of the police report or, the police contact, whatever. So, learn something new every day. But I will have to stop that because that's what it is. It's when somebody else just gives responsibility to somebody else and somebody else gives responsibility to somebody else. And somebody needs to step up. I told you, short and sweet. That was 12.6. I will see y'all for 12.7.